Seniors and disabled residents showed up in force at the county building Tuesday morning to speak out against proposed cuts to a portion of funding for the MEO bus system. Maui Economic Opportunity currently provides transportation services to the elderly, disabled, and underserved groups.
No wheels, no meals. We need the wheels to go to the city center to have our meals, so we need the transportation for the MEO bus.
As you can see by the great number of seniors present today, how concerned we are in the cut in funding for the services provided by MEO, especially in the form of transportation.
The testimony this morning from the many people who showed up to testify was really heartwarming, and I think very clear. And the message that I got, which frankly I already knew, was that the difference between a public bus service and the MEO service, and it was mentioned over and over, is really the compassionate care and the extra mile.
Especially those people that are on wheelchairs that cannot move around. And a lot of us seniors cannot even go to the bus stop.
MEO Executive Director Sandy Boz said the proposed cuts include a 12% funding reduction. That translates to a $740,000 cut.
They don't want to lose their access to community resources, being able to go out there and be active, be social, make sure that they have the opportunity to remain independent. It's a very important factor. They need to remain independent, and without transportation, it's hard for them to do that.
Without them, most of us seniors cannot even move around, going from one place to another. And then, for those people who are on dialysis, taking them to and from, and a lot of other services that, we don't even think about.
Due to the proposed dollar per boarding, the lives of our seniors as well as those of our young people will be greatly impacted.
There's a lot of testimony at the County Council budget hearings regarding MEO's transportation and the difference between MEO and the Maui bus and the effects that it would have on them.
Seniors will have to make drastic changes. Fewer doctor appointments, fewer trips to the grocery store, fewer visitations of family and friends at Halemakua, and fewer educational and recreational activities in which we can participate.
It's the transfer of the Alaho service to the public bus transit provider. They're calling it the ADA paratransit service that is causing the most angst, because that has been MEO's specialty.
And so they approached me and said, okay, well, what do we do? And I said, well, you've talked to the council, and they said, well, we need to do more. So they kind of organized this event and said, okay, let's have a day where we can go up and show them in force, what's important to us.
Please consider again the meager retirement pay and small Social Security checks our seniors receive. We don't want to have to decide between buying groceries or filling our prescriptions.
The Council's Budget and Finance Committee continues to finalize details of its FY 2011 budget. A decision on MEO's request for restoration of funds is due by the end of next week because of budgetary timelines.